Are you looking for a flexible and easy automation? Do you produce many different workpieces in small to medium batch sizes? Your employees should spend as little working time as possible on the automation. We have the solution for you. GRESSEL R-C2. The first gripping-centric vise in the world. R-C2 grips, clamps, and sets up. Reduce employee hours. Less time at the automation means more time for the other tasks and therefore higher productivity of your employees. Without adjustment or conversion, the R-C2 picks up different products and transfers them safely and quickly for processing. No changeover times, no additional work steps, no programming effort. The reliable GRESSEL clamping technology combined with the highest degree of automation. That is the R-C2. The result for you: the highest productivity and maximum economic efficiency that is a pleasure to use. Do you want to go one step further? Produce workpieces flexibly on all 6 sides completely unmanned. Then combine the GRESSEL R-C2 module with our patented 6-sided station, first operation and second operation in one step without manual intervention. Completing 6 sides in one automatic operation unmanned means faster production and more finished parts. Complete 6 sides productions, simplification of logistics, smaller footprint, increased machine run times with the same storage size, higher flexibility, results in better return. R-C2 saves time and money. www.r-c2.com